Hello. I have seen the message that will start how many chances I have given to others and what will start a new fresh start. Potty. She had not some capable man or nothing. And I told I have a mission. I want to save the nation and the world. In the right, I want to lead the nation and the world in the right direction. And I want to make a concrete change in the Indian education sector and health sector and whatever the sector I decided. And I will respect your water session. You are a tool for that, a medium. The universe is assigned. That's it. And beyond that you will not go. Then that day I will assassinate you. You can don't dream that you can become the Prime Minister of India. You will never. You do not have any eligibility. You are a dumb fool. How much effort I am wasting? See, do you know the way I have told the things, and that's the reason Elon Musk is involving in the politics, and the way the kind of support what I am giving to you, kind of a month with the chatter sucking fellow. If I am giving that I would have given to Elon Musk, it would have been much useful for the world. That's the reason. That's the what is Elon Musk problem? I know that he's also June 28th. Puram Nakshatra. The problem is he's the natural intelligent people. That's what the problem with me also, for him also. When we will not be able to adjust with others. That's not about the thing, but others. Our more excitement is the work that only our brain will activate, not like the silly things and all. It will not get tempted. Okay, so that's the thing. Also, that's the reason he got married to 3, 4. That partners, they are not the good people, and they are just normal some kachara fellows. And so that's the reason that and all he not able to match up with him, and so he have his brain have enormous power, and all the multi thoughts are going on. But the thing now, so there should be a strong proper support to get into that. Will be many of the things we could have utilized in the right way, and he have many vulnerabilities also. That's his father's, that's what our parents' qualities also will be there. His father's negative qualities, that is also in him, along with his mother's good qualities. Okay, so there are many things. So anyway, he have taken on, that's why he understood the right sense, and he have taken the initiative under the Trump. But the Trump is also not a good person. I don't want like Trump to be the prime president, but I don't want the Kamala Harris also should be. She's also not a good capable people. But I have a vision. I want to lead the nation in the nation and the world in the right direction. That only will happen and will be executed. Okay, and that doesn't mean that you can have a culture of party Congress leaders. There is not even a single person who deserves to spell my name. That's what I understood. Culture of party treated of. These all fellows should be thrown out from that politics, and don't dream that which may melt that can assassinate. That's sort of the Ravensrodic culture of treated of that. Oh, the excitement, the challenge which going and culture of I feel to finish you and culture for what purpose? Can have a gada, it's living culture on my. Your mother is a number and prostitute, culture of street borderlands, or culture of prostitute lady. Spoiled the entire world and nation, culture of prostitute also. I thought, don't want to call it, but nobody will be. That's the reason I'm calling the culture of party more and chat. Where a pot in the Indian then a talk to water has to got culture of party. Guys, would by seeing you itself, I will get tempted to take it. Culture of party now, and the mirror set up a party kutte, chatty, curly, Johnny. Prostitute, non shameless curry, or Mukula make a body culture of pottage, non got worth it a party. In a church, I don't call it worth it. Bringing a chonaka and non got a potty, kutte. Yeah, you ate skinny. What is a eligibility? You are such a beautiful to pursue. Who the hell are you? Do you have enough stamina to pacify me, culture of potty? Everything has a limited culture of street dogs. I will not get it tempted. I couldn't find any man that who can tempt me. That's it. Okay, that's what my stamina encourage. Culture of tea. The understood process which makes understanding ability. This is the way he's how much of my life and my passion, my spirit got suppressed because of the culture of party. That's the reason we should not adjust for the one who is incapable fellow. I was by seeing the way he's crying and he's changing. That's why he should suppress. And that he took us a license to put up any comments and all. But anyway, one thing what I am telling, he will obey. That he will follow, respect that. And so, but I don't like the way he's putting chemicals and all to spoil my brain and all the things. These all this. That's the reason I'm acting against him. Okay. And all the IIT process, they will obey what I am telling. And so I am doing things for a vision. And with a vision, clear vision, I know that I only can do that. And the 97,000 students committed suicide means there is a valid reason for that. And none of these processes have the capability or potential to take stubborn actions and stand stubborn to address the things. Okay, so that's the reason I'm doing. That doesn't mean that there for what purpose what do you do? What you oh, to please you only that Chabutra, the water comments, oh, you are much more than a culture, straight out party. Yeah, bro, well, curly wish, Katri Prani, Jimmy, or a culture of party. Proceed as a kid and a man and a party. If you want to ever get married, leave that. That's the only thing you should do. That's the reason I will don't devastate you. And that the sport of place, the great culture of multi-father Congress leaders actually in that day, AICC will be blasted. Culture of parties. Not a single Chalamang, the culture of parties treated. A chagalat, or Kuda culture of fraud chat. So, during the morning, you should come on to see me. And then you call in the uni. Then in the uni, there is some stuff that people under they will come on to correct. How many fellas they all have done all the shows, everything, right? And then or Sachi Valika, actually their attitude is that Huda was misusing for political. That's the reason they have disqualified her. Okay, I'm not that way. Okay, I'm standing for the right, truthful things. And if you are aligned, not for any pitch way anyway. Oh, going for multi prostitute succulent culture and street. Street of Velas will be much. So you also that Mohan also Mohan also four nation was the Velas street bar dancers. That's the thing. One less quality people are there, quality born for the culture of family. Catcher up at the shade in a Chanaka culture and noise. A man should tempt a girl with manly qualities, not like a catch or a patty. She will commercial may change. Not only have the confidence or courage to talk to straight to a girl. That is the hope. I guess you. Party or parent. Narina just Madam Mohan and culture that Das Champutrada culture of party. None of these fellows will have any role in Indian politics again. Okay, Indian governance. Go enough ground and a culture of party like Kavantara Ditanga. Everybody should play. So thoughts of can grab power like frauds. If I am telling against modem teams, because they are over controlling this thing and is finish devastated and controlling and the process don't think that my 5 laptops, okay, and 7 phones, and I will not leave you the way you are blocking me into all the libraries, hijacking, attacking, and madness culture of party. This is the reason I am against. I know that all the world other authorities and they are misusing what I am sending the mail center. Everybody is eagerly waiting for devastating. So that I don't like. That's the reason in between I am was pausing and everything. I am trying to convince culture apart and none of them are. What Khan Kholkar Suno. I want to become Dr. Shrilega want to become the Prime Minister of India. That only will happen. And so for that I don't have time to actually I have done many things also for the party forming, and I think everybody is all done. None of them have the stamina or level courage. But the thing one thing is there, that is the truth I told now. So Shiva Shakti has that is the assignment, and that is the we have that level. That's the thing I am trying this much things. Okay, you don't take it for granted. And if I feel shame for going and checking out the culture without any change. I don't need to persuade these ആൾക്കാർ കോൺഗ്രസിന്റെ പാർട്ടി നായ്ക്കൾ അവനൊക്കെ 1,000 times has to want to spell my name that കച്ചറ പട്ടീസ് അവനൊക്കെ വേട്ടേറി അവനൊക്കെ ഫാമിലിയോട് ഡിവേഴ്സ് ചെയ്യണം ബാസ്റ്റേഡ്സ് കച്ചറ പട്ടി if they want to talk put up they can send a reply mail with a time place. Okay, that's the thing. കച്ചറ പാട്ടി കൾച്ചറസ് പോര നിറച്ചേറ്റ കാർഗ ഗീഗ വേട്ടിച്ചേറ്റ. The American ambassador came to meet you. Oh, for what purpose you did you? What you are doing? Marketing and fooling. Chambutra killed on the spot, bastards. Frauds. But what is the privilege for these kind of doubles to involve in India's matter? So certainly, my the US mails is also your certain action, last week's action and everything I know here. Keep it, fella. And then we thought that all the power is there. Yeah, I do. You do not know my who am I actually? Driving, adjusting. You know. Delhi police. I know that in January also that I've been rushing that and all that Naranasan party now in the month behind that. And that the same way that at the airport there's that attack that I've been rushing, because in Delhi police also many fellows wonder that even that ACP Yadav and all everybody Congress will come that and all etc. So when I'm telling against, that's the reason they are telling the frustration. And in many nowadays also I can see that many are having the frustration celebrations and all. Nothing is going to work out. Okay. Also the same thing to Modi Amisha. Don't try to overrule all this. That's the reason, because of your over that kind of activities only have to tell against you people, and that is what kept. And not to process, you are not that a capable person. You have to understand that. So people are adjusting, have some minimum reasons. You should always remember that how you suppress me that cooling into the all. That would have been my capable.